Hey there, car enthusiasts! Are you ready to meet the perfect fusion of classic charm and modern innovation? The 2026 Volkswagen Beetle is here, and it's got everyone talking. Let's dive into why this iconic car is about to steal the show in the automotive world. Now, let's get into it! First off, the front design of the 2026 Beetle is a showstopper. We're talking bold LED headlights, a wide and aggressive grille, and a front bumper that's sporty but refined, giving the car a confident, road-dominating presence. The iconic Volkswagen badge sits proudly at the center, with new LED strips that give the Beetle a futuristic vibe that's impossible to miss. Moving around to the back, the 2026 Beetle continues to impress with its sporty rear bumper and sleek taillights that add to the vehicle's modern appeal. The dual exhaust system and diffuser aren't just for looks, they enhance the car's performance-oriented design. It's a perfect mix of minimalism and bold design, giving it just the right amount of edge. Now, under the hood, the 2026 Beetle features a turbocharged engine that strikes the perfect balance between thrilling performance and great fuel efficiency. Whether you're zooming through city streets or cruising on a weekend getaway, this Beetle promises a fun and smooth ride that's hard to beat. Inside, the 2026 Beetle welcomes you with a clean and modern cabin. The large digital display seamlessly integrates with the infotainment system, while the premium leather upholstery with diamond-stitch detailing gives it a sophisticated yet sporty feel. Plus, with plenty of legroom and comfortable seating, it's perfect for both short city trips and longer road adventures. So there you have it, folks. The 2026 Volkswagen Beetle is here to redefine what it means to be iconic. With its timeless design, cutting-edge technology, and impressive performance, this car is ready to take the road by storm. Do you think the Beetle can live up to its legacy? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Ready for Future Ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more awesome car content. Until next time, stay tuned, stay curious, and stay ready for the future ride.